it's me, Alegra. I'm hopping on today to do a testing out makeup video. This is Summer Makeup 2023 Drugstore Edition. These are drugstore, hopefully goodies. We're going to test them out and find out. So what I have here is the Milani Supercharged Lip and Cheek. I have a bronze tone shade and a rose tone shade. So to be specific, this is the bronze shade is the 150 Electric Bronze, and the pink rose tone shade is 120 Rose Recharge. So I was hoping to use this as maybe a contour, this as a blush and lip, or I think this would look good as a lip too, the bronze shade, for a nice nude lip. But I really want to try the bronzer out, and I've been so addicted with the summer here. I just love that bronze look in the summer, so I definitely want to put this as much I love my face as possible, believe it or not. So okay, let's go ahead and test it out. Now I do have on my face right now a foundation and a little concealer and just a little powder under my eye, so hopefully this is gonna blend out. But I didn't put any powder in my contour, so hopefully this is gonna work out. Oh, it feels really creamy and gel-like. So this is infused with emollient oils. They say it's buildable, and it does have squalane in it. So that's maybe why it does feel so good. I'm really happy about that, because a lot of bronzers and a lot of cream products and bronzing sticks and contour sticks will kind of get stuck on my skin and they don't really move. But this definitely is very easy to move and maneuver on your skin. I'm just gonna tap it out, and it is also a beautiful tone for my skin color. So if you have a skin tone like mine, you might really love this. This looks very much to me exactly like the Chanel bronzing pot that I just bought, that Soleil bronzer that's in a big round pot. This looks exactly the same. I'm not even joking, and it feels the same. Actually, this feels more emollient. Now they did again say that it's buildable, so I'm just going to build it up a little more, but you could always leave it as it is or keep going and build it up. So I'll just build it up a little bit more. Guys, I'm seriously in shock. This is beautiful. And I'm pretty sure they do have a lot more shades. In my Ulta, they only had this one left. So this is the only one that I could reach for, but I'm so glad, because it's beautiful. I'm gonna go ahead and put it all over. That's how much I love this. I want to see exactly what we can do with this, because so far it's blending like a dream. I absolutely love this. I can't believe it. Oh, it does give a sheen to the skin as well. That's probably the skincare ingredients in the product, because it doesn't have any shimmer in it. So that's most likely the skincare ingredients. And I did actually put some bronzer before I came to hang out with you beauties on my eyes. So this is just a little bronzer, but this is blending like a dream. Wow. Because look at that nose contour. And if you guys are like me, a lot of times the nose contour does not want to blend, and that just blended like a dream. So it doesn't get better than that. I'm actually wanting to try this out as even an eyeshadow, even though I do have powder on already, but I just have a little bit. But look at that as an eyeshadow. You know, again, I did have some powder on my eyes, but I think you pretty much can see the effect that it creates. If anything, this will be a gorgeous base for putting, if you're wanting to put on a little bit more bronze toned shadow for a summer look. Actually, I'm going to do that because I just have to see it. I think this is a beautiful base, although it looks great on its own. But if you're like me, I have hooding, and I really like to conceal the crepiness of my hooding. So I'm just going to pop a little bit of regular bronzer right on top, just for my own personal preference. But you definitely would not need to do that if you don't have hooded eyes. Just me, I have a little saggy hooded eye situation. So I'm just going to do that really quickly, just so I can get a complete look and a complete, you know, because I'm a little bit insecure about that kind of hooding sitting in my eye. So I'm just popping some Physicians Formula bronzer right. This is just a matte bronzer, just right over that Milani product. And yes, it's just a gorgeous base. If you want to intensify your bronze look, of course, again, you could just have left it on its own. So I cannot believe it, but I just think this is absolutely stunning. And I do really want to try it on my lips too, because I think it would probably make a really beautiful nude lip. Let's see. Oh yeah, that's beautiful. That is really gorgeous, you guys. That's really gorgeous. Okay, I'm just going to put a little lip liner on too, just so we can get the full effect, because I would normally wear lip liner. So here is just a L'Oreal lip liner. This is Matt's It. So what do you beauties think about that? I think this is gorgeous. It's especially once you put it on your lips, you really see how moisturizing it is. You really feel the moisture, you really feel that squalane and the emollient ingredients. Really, you can really feel it on your lips, because my lips were dry and now they feel so good and actually truly moisturized. And isn't this tone beautiful? I think this would be such a gorgeous look. Right there, you got your whole look done with this Milani Supercharged in bronze. But let's go ahead now and just test out the rose tone shade. I just want to see this as a blush, and also I'll put it on my lips too. So let's go ahead and put some on like so. Again, very emollient, very easy to apply. It's not tugging or dragging on my skin. And I'll just tap that in. It definitely brings life to your face. It's definitely giving that rosiness and that youthful glow. I wonder if they have a shimmer one of these, because I would love that. Again, they only had a few left. I'm going to investigate more, but look at that. That is gorgeous. And again, they do recommend that if you want, you can build it up. So definitely for me, I like it. 2 applications is a good enough build up for me. But you know, it's all your personal preference. So you might just want a wash of color, and then 1 application would be stunning. So I just did 2. Let's just do 3 because I am a blush addict. So let's go ahead and do 3 and see what this puppy can do, because this is absolutely stunning. This is gorgeous summer makeup. This is something you could definitely pop in your beach bag, or in your, if you're going to work, you can just throw it in your bag. You're going to be able to make a beautiful look for yourself easily and effortlessly on the go. And again, I could definitely feel that this would be a gorgeous base. If you wanted to put some powder product on top, it would just intensify that powder product, a powder blush, because it's so emollient. It would definitely, you know, make your powder product really pop. So I'm just going to take off this lip, and then I'm going to try that rose toned shade on the lips. You guys, my lips feel so soft now. So this is definitely super hydrating, because it feels like I just had on the most incredible lip balm. So let's try this. This is again Rose Recharge. Let's try this as a lip. What do you guys think? Oh, that's gorgeous. And again, it feels like the most incredible lip oil. And truth be told, and when I took it off, it really performed like a lip oil, because my lips were so baby soft. Now, this feels just as good as the bronze tone shade. I'm sure it's all the same formulation. So again, I'm just going to put on a little lip liner. Guys, how beautiful is that? That is seriously lip of the summer. That is seriously my summer lip. That is so beautiful, you guys. I could cry. It's so beautiful, I could cry. So beauties, what do you think of these Milani Supercharged Lip and Cheek products for the summer or for all year? First of all, I do love the packaging. Very bright and uplifting color, especially gray. I just love these bright colors on the packaging for the summer makeup. But you guys, this product, seriously, now I love this. Truly. But if you have dry skin, this might just be everything for you, because it feels incredible on my skin, and I have pretty oily skin. So if you have dry skin, I feel like you would just be in love with this. It's gonna just feel so good on your skin. It's gonna blend out like a dream. It's not going to tug and get stuck on your dry patches, because this is so emollient that on my own skin, it was just super moisturizing and blended like a dream. So whether you're oily or dry skinned, I do think you would absolutely love this. But if you do have dry skin, this might just be a godsend, because especially blush, if you have dry skin, it will get stuck on dry patches. But this will not. It's so moisturizing, and it's so easy to apply, and it's so easy to work with. Actually, I just want to try something really quick. I just want to see how it applies with your fingers, because sometimes you apply these with your fingers and yes, they come out so much better. So this was beautiful with, what did we use, a brush? I used kind of a stamping brush, but I gotta tell you, look at that with your fingers. There's just something about applying cream products with your fingers that you cannot beat. And Not sticky whatsoever also though, because a lot of times when you have oily skin, moisturizing products will wind up feeling sticky and gross. This does not. It was moisturizing when I put it on. It feels incredible, but it's not sticky whatsoever. Even right now, it has dried down and I don't feel any weight or oiliness on my skin whatsoever. If you know what I mean, when you have oily skin, a lot of things start just making you feel like you're dripping in oil. This does not feel like that. It feels so good. Yes, I definitely think, in particular with the blush shades, if you want to apply these with your fingers, it's gorgeous. And I am going to investigate more because hopefully they have a kind of highlighter stick. This in maybe a gold or a champagne tone. Wouldn't that be stunning? That would complete the look. I would just put a little here, maybe a little on the brow bone. So beauties, I did investigate and they do have a supercharged highlighter multi-stick from Milani. It's called the Power Highlight and it's a shimmer with gold pearl. So beautiful looking. And this would be the perfect look right here. It's done. I mean, you could get your full look with, you know, 2, 3 of these, some mascara. I did put on concealer and a little foundation, but that was it. So this is such a stunning summer makeup product. It's amazing, easy to take with you on the go, super affordable, and right now Ulta is having so many sales. I know with the Shop with YouTube feature, I believe there was a $5 coupon. So you'll see it when you look in the Shop with YouTube feature. It'll say like $5 off coupon or something like that. And then Ulta always does have those other amazing coupons and points. So I think I wound up getting these free because I did use my Ulta points. So you cannot beat free makeup. You cannot beat it. It's amazing. So that's pretty much it. Let me know which lip you like better. Did you like the bronze lip or do you like the rose lip? So let me know your favorites down below. I am giving away a $25 Ulta or Sephora gift card today. So all you have to do is comment #GlamFam down below and you'll be entered to win a Ulta or Sephora gift card. So let me know if you've tried these Milani products and let me know what you think of them down below. And that's pretty much it. Thank you so much for spending time with me today and testing out makeup. I think these are drugstore goodies. Yes, they are drugstore. Probably better than high-end because this is rivals the Chanel and that was very pricey. So, and this looks exactly like it and actually feels better, more moisturizing. So what is better than that? So anyway, dolls, I will let you go. I'll see you very soon. Thank you again so much for spending time with me and I'll talk to you beauties later. Bye, I love you.